Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. In this one I am fucking soaked to the bone, just through and through, and really moist. We're up in the Catskills, upstate New York, about 130-40 miles up north, and terrible miscalculation on many different levels. One being the fact that it's 40 degrees, it's raining. Yeah, I'm cruising. I just had a coffee and a biscuit, sausage biscuit from McDonald's, and now my stomach hurts. But lucky, and my phone just died, and my hands are wet. Everything is falling apart, and I'm riding with the high beams on because YOLO. But luckily, I'm like less than 20 miles from the destination. So with any luck, I'm almost there. We shall see. And as soon as I get there, I'm gonna peel off all these wet layers and, you know, warm up. It's gonna be good. Dry all this shit out. Hell, why not? I do wish my phone was still working, because I was kind of keeping an eye on it to see like how many miles are left, but it's alright. The temperature is actually warming up through the last couple hours, because it was 40. I bet by now it's 45. It's gonna be high of like 56 today, so you don't know. How bad can it be? But it is pretty fucking cold. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm really just over this kind of thing. But Mother's Day is Mother's Day, and it has to be done. The ride must go on. All good. Here we go. Get to the right lane. Nice. Looking for exit 90. We just passed exit 92, so a little while to go. Yeah, I wouldn't mind the rain whatsoever. It's just like I partied a little bit with my friends last night, so not thinking straight, and I literally have rain gear with me, but I didn't put it on, which is stupid, because my lower body and my upper could have been drier and warmer and happier, you know. Because right now I'm just soaked across the board. That's exit 93. God damn. That was exit 91. Wishful thinking. Still got like 10 more miles to go to the exit. Son of a bitch. But it's alright. Okay. Getting there. On top of it, I'm a little tired. The whole thing is a mess. But a promise is a promise. I told my mom I'll be here Saturday morning. It's happening. Oh, do 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 do. Indeed chilly. Won't lie to y'all. Reduce speed. Road work ahead. Okay. Already going pretty slow, so not gonna slow down much more, unfortunately. Brrr, goddamn. I'm very much looking forward to just sitting by a fireplace and warming up. Closing my eyes for a minute. You know? That's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I need. This person's gonna slow down to 45 because they seem like a lawful type. Good. Usually I'm on that road down there having a hoot and a holler, but not today. Today is more of a direct path kind of ride, just because it's too cold for that bullshit. Ain't nobody got time for twisties in this condition. Come on, baby. Give me something. Repairing this part of the fucking road for so long now, this part of the bridge, for freaking years. Good lord. Beautiful here, even in this rain and cold. The test of willpower. I wish I had this much willpower for other things, because I mean, look at me, I'm like hardcore in it, but ain't that impressive. Look at this. Why is there like traffic? Straight up traffic. I mean, I'm not complaining because it's actually warming me up a little bit. It's actually allowing me to get a little temperature back in the body, because going fast really cools you down. Really does. Chill like this. Totally not a big deal. We gotta be coming up on our destination really soon. Really, really, really soon. That's right. People are looking at me like, this guy. This fucking guy, he's crazy, he crazy. It's true. He would be correct. I am indeed a little bit crazy. Got it, bro. No stress. Pretty sure we're coming up on my exit. I can sense it. Definitely less than 10 miles. I'd say we're less than 5 miles. Really close. Really, really close. The temperature of the bike is 130. I'm fucking cooking it at like 75 miles per hour. 70. And the bike is not even warming up. So, it's that. Let's see. Exit stop, 5 miles. He can wait. It's true, it's true, it's true. Everything you say is true. All the things you say is true. Get that rain off the shield. When you turn the head left to right on these showies, the rain gets off. Beautiful thing. Very so close. Oh, to the pressure exit. And then it's just, you know, then it's just baby steps. Here we go. Can't even think, can't even vlog. Survival ride. 100% survival ride. I mean, I've been surviving for like the last fucking hour. About an hour and a half is when I stopped having fun and realized this was a situation. So close. At least the rain stopped, for the most part. It's always a good thing. There we go. 1 mile. Da 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 da! East Branch, Downsville. East Branch, Downsville. Good. We made it to the damn exit. Now we got 7 miles of twisties, and then we're done. And then that's that. Here we go. Here we go. Put on the blinker. This is the exit. We did it. Made it to the exit. Now just a little twisty part. Now that you're nice and tired, it's time for the twisty part. There we go. We're close.